Hello everyone, welcome to Chem Ladies TV. On today's menu, we will be making some groundnut sweet. This is so delicious, guys, and if you want to know how this is made, stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and see you after the break.
That the brothers on the rise now.
Here are the ingredients we are going to use. Very simple, just 5 ingredients or 4. So here we have our peanuts, sugar. I used half cup of sugar. You can use more if you want. We have a glass of water, a pinch of salt, nutmeg, and the nutmeg is totally optional. You can do without. So let's begin. Start by frying our groundnut on low heat. We don't want our groundnuts to be burnt, so you fry on low heat. You can totally skip this part too if you don't want to fry your groundnut, but I love doing mine like this. You want to keep stirring the groundnuts to avoid it from getting burned. So I've been frying for like 10 minutes. It's ready now. Take it out from the fire and go to the next step. So the next step would be to put the 1 glass of water into the frying pan and let it boil. Now I'll put in my half cup of sugar and stir. Make sure everything dissolves, all the sugar dissolves into the water. Next, I'm putting in my pinch of salt and allow the water to boil for a bit. Yeah, so now I'm putting in the groundnut. I used 4 cups of groundnuts. Stir everything together. So this is just basically it. It's not difficult to make groundnut sweet, so you just keep stirring, and at this point you notice that the water becomes brownish in color and it is bitter. You taste bitter. It's okay. Nothing wrong with that. You just have to keep stirring until the water dries out. If you look at it, you see that the water is brown like I said earlier. So we just keep stirring. The water is almost dried out. You see, it's dried out and it becomes thicker as the water dries out. Now lastly, I'm going to put in the nutmeg. This is totally optional, but I love the nutmeg flavor in groundnut sweets, so it's a yes for me. Mix everything, then we'll take it out from the fire. The groundnut sweet is ready. Please like the video, guys, so that others can see it too. Thank you. Groundnut sweet is ready. Now we take it out from the fire and spread it in a tray so that it will cool down or cool off. Thank you all for taking part in this video. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.